Hello and welcome back to BobTail Videos. It's time to reboot the channel. So what we're going to do is we're going to see what HiPoints do to this fridge over here, because we're going to shoot up a fridge. Let's go see what happens. So, we have penetration holes here, 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 over here, and this lovely little piece right here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. A bunch of garbage, look at that. We have
a piece of it.
A piece of a HiPoint, that's nice.
And knock the light bulb out.
We have penetration hole here and various other penetration points through the fridge. Let's see if we can find any slugs on the other side.
One hit the barrel.
We got one hit the barrel here. Right there. So when it comes to this HiPoint 45 ACP, you're not going to hide behind a refrigerator to protect yourself.
Or tires.
Or tires. Or even oil drums, for that matter.
Just to classify, they are all empty.
Yes, they are all empty.
Well, just so it doesn't get reported over chemicals.
Right.
Welcome B92.
So as you can see, 45 HiPoint, accurate, penetrates through a whole heavy metal refrigerator. Old school refrigerator.
Yeah, none of this China made crap.
Look at this. I got one in here too.
That was a skipper.
Yeah, it was a skipper. Look at that. It's right in there. Well,
Oh no, that's part of the fridge.
I reckon that's going to conclude our reboot. Stay tuned. You're going to see more videos of us shooting miscellaneous objects. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go down below, subscribe to the video, hit the little bell notification next to that, get notified every time I upload a video. You're going to see more videos of me, Beav, from Beav92.
What's up, peeps?
This little guy here, shooting miscellaneous objects. And always remember, you never know what you're going to find on BobTail Videos. BobTail out.